So, yeah, let's do it again. Yes. Hi, my name is Kshitiz Kharal, and we are. So, hi, my name is Kshitiz Kharal. We are doing the presentation for our e-commerce website project for the assignment second of software engineering. And the topics we covered in this presentation are introduction, goals, scope, glossary, software functional and non-functional requirements, technical assumptions and constraint, UML diagram, software testing, and deployment strategy. And now my friend Vicky will cover the introduction part of the presentation.
Hi there, guys. My name is Bikey. I'm gonna cover the introduction part. We're doing the e-commerce software for our project. An e-commerce software is a type of platform that enables individuals to manage their own online store. In this era, most businesses use this type of software to establish and manage their online stores. It allows them to add product to their online store, connect with the customer, and complete orders. We have certain few objectives, such as creating interfaces to seller and buyer, provide customer satisfaction, manage inventory and orders, provide secure platform to the users. So as a organization, we have certain goals. We need to reach larger audiences, decrease administrative processes, provide satisfaction to the users, and gain the trust of the users. And what are the scopes of the e-commerce software? That is to monitor inventory, provide larger options to the user, integrate multiple payment channels, and analyze larger customer data to increase sales. And next we have
Hi everyone.
Yeah.
So my name is Neelesh and I'm gonna present on the document overview. So this SRS document provides a comprehensive analysis of the requirements for developing the e-commerce website. It covers project goals, including user registration, product management, shopping cart functionality, order tracking, payment processing, admin tools, customer support, scalability, and security. So we also got the glossary part of the project, where we have the key terms to ensure clarity of the document of the project as well. And the document also serves as a reference for all stakeholders in the development process, guiding the design, implementation, and testing of an e-commerce website to meet regulatory requirements. And next is the glossary part, as I was saying, where we have the user authentication, payment gateway, wish list, product review, search functionality, and furthermore. I'm going to pass it on to my friend Kshitiz for the functional requirement. Thank you.
So the functional requirements means the basic requirement, basic functions for any software to perform properly, to perform the regular tasks. So the functional requirements of our e-commerce website are product display, cart, wish list, checkout, software interface, payment gateway, shipping, seller interfaces, and so on. So we need certain functions for our e-commerce website to perform it properly. So we need to display product details to the user. We need to give options for them to add items to the cart, to manage it, and we also need them to give them checkout functions so that they can use our payment partners to payment, and they get order confirmation, and they can be shipped through our shipping partners. And these all are the functional requirements of our e-commerce website. Now, non-functional requirements are the functions are the things that focuses on how the program is done, what is required for the functions to perform properly. So the basic requirement for the non-functional requirements of our e-commerce website are reliability, scalability, backup, partner interfaces, accessibility, localization, and content management. So our servers should be reliable, so they can withstand withstand for a longer time period. They should be scalable. They should be we should be able to expand our servers when it's busy, when we get more customers. We should have more backup of our all data of our end servers so that we can manage uptime while it's maintenance or under any attack. And our back we should have our servers located on a local area of operation so that it's faster for customers to access our website. So I'll pass on to my friend Anu for technical assumption and constraints.
Hi, this is Anup Sapkota, and I'll be covering technical assumptions and constraints of this presentation. So, while making this project, uh, there are some technical assumptions that we made. For instance, we'll be using Amazon Web Services for hosting the website that we're going to use, and we'll use Australia Post for the domestic delivery partner, and we'll also use FedEx for international delivery. And our target audience will be people from group of age 20 to 40, and our daily traffic is supposed to be around 3,000 to 10,000 users during the peak time. Also, there are some constraints that we have to consider in the project, some of which being time. We have decided to finish the project within the 6 months of period, as well as budget and resources. Like we are very tight on budget, so we have to finish everything under $25,000. And there are legal requirements and compliance of this country that we have to follow. So the next part is UML diagram, which will be presented by Kshitiz again.
Hi. UML diagrams are the diagrams that shows the visual representation of the functions and methods of any software. And these diagrams are used to demonstrate the working structure of the any software. So use case diagram shows how the functions are used and what are the functions and how will it interact with the user. So the class diagrams are the diagrams that shows all the attributes, functions, and class of the of any project and how they are related to each other. What are the relation between what are the dependencies of the class and functions attributes. And the activity diagram is the diagram that shows how what activities are required for a user to perform certain actions to finish a certain action. So this is, and now my friend Saugat will present software testing and acceptance criteria.
Hello, I'm Saugat, and I'm gonna say about software testing and acceptance criteria. Uh, Software testing and verification, whether the is knows about whether the software is working or not, and include system testing and acceptance criteria and user testing. And the deployment strategy includes beta testing and user feedback and phase deployment approach. Beta testing is the process of testing usually conducted to gather feedback and know whether the if our website is running or not. We introduce the small group of testers. That helps the developers improve the quality of the final product before it is released. Phase deployment approach includes the software deployment, which gradually introducing new features and changes in different stages. These methods can be used to address various system components or user groups issues.
You're on mute, Kshitiz.
So this was our project, and thank you for listening our presentation. Thank you from our group. So do we have any topic to discuss? No, so thank you. It's recording.